Him not can do that.
Time that all we've been waiting for. Yes. Oh God, see that, me people?
I eat, man, this me I eat out, man. I hold for food, no want, you know.
Watch him in a kid. Yeah, man.
So, spoon
But me people, my friends.
spoon now give me as much as I want, please.
You say, bitch, I'm going to help him. I shrimp, man. Yeah, man, eat it, man.
Tell him, man.
Fish that then, man.
Bring this as super.
Pleasant good day, my people. You know, we there at it again, you know, catch and cooking, you know, what thing going on. Barracuda soup in a day, you know what I say?
Crawfish.
Yeah, man, so, crayfish and them thing there. You know what I say? Big up DJ Vibes for this. Vibes give me crayfish, you know.
Jamaica vibes, man.
Yeah, man, I man.
Yeah, man, my peeps, so we are make up the fire, you know, with the stick, then so, guys, you know. Pot this ready for your soup, guys. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so we just go get to work.
Yeah, man, so yeah, boom. Boom, I kick off the pot. Watch it two whole thing them in the background, that the whole fridge, you know, bun rubbish, you know. Thing and thing, my peeps. You know, fire side, well clean up, see it, well rake up. Yeah, man.
That is it, my peeps, man.
See it?
Yeah, man, Jamaica Vibes Adventure. Here, crayfish them we are going to put in a soup at my father. So just watch what go on.
So yes, my peeps, we out here at it again, my peeps. A flipper style on the HQ, guys. Here, raggy hunting, guys, but out here, my peeps, you know. Show no I go and boom there. I do badness. Fire ready up there now, light up.
Big up his supporters them, you know. Big up his spearfishing friend them, you know, man, like Boob Adventure TV, you know.
Yeah, man.
Family and friends. You
See
know
it?
what going, you know. Yeah, man, Jamaica Vibes Adventure. Oh, jam, man.
Jessica, Cargill.
You know what I say? Big up everybody, man. You don't know yourself. You might remember every name now.
Yeah,
But
man.
anytime I remember, man, I go and shout up, man. Alright there, sir.
All the dog come forget female peeps, you know. That is it. Yeah, man.
I say, wash up me hand now and get to work. You get me, I say? So I wash me hand, show them what I get done. You see it? Alright, and them get washed now. I'm show you how I get to, you know, because I don't believe what I'm talking about. Them are where I get down to.
Yeah, man.
You
Some
see it?
crayfish.
Yeah, soup we make with them. Or they call it sip. Hey, them, soup our chicken make and them thing there. We put a crab here in it too, so you know what thing will come down good. All I want to soup on my table, I go pot, you know. See it, we have every ingredients right as right now. You know what?
Have cornmeal, some cornmeal flour.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we have okra, some sweet potato, yam, pumpkin, carrot, Irish there. Yeah, man, scallion and thyme, peeps.
All them things there. So watch it now. So we get down to it. You know what I say, people? Boss him go right now. Go right down the line. You know what I say? Take out of it, take out all time. Know what I mean? Yes, sir, actually, I catch me too. Alright, my people. Take out of it, take out all time. You know? That's what we're doing right here at the moment. You know what I mean? Take out in little inside, or them call them something. I hear my people, see it? Yeah, man.
That is it, man. All courtesy, I boom.
Yeah, man. I'm sure them what it look like when it finish.
Alright, my peeps, see it?
Yes.
Man, big pot of soup in a day. Yeah. Fire this ready up, pot ready up for Japan, guys. Alright, my peeps, so we are set on the pot here now. The water go on hot up and thing, you know. Yeah, man, so you know the badness cup, guys. While Nakis are going doing thing with peeps. That is it, guys. Yeah, man, so I just stick and stay. Have the dog them come for them, you know, peeps. Yeah, man.
Nah,
Yeah, man, wash out the pot, my peeps.
Right.
How this?
Stick up.
Yeah, man.
Outside.
Food, man, you know, food
Yeah,
bars.
see me?
Yeah, man.
Good food, we say no. Really good food. Outside.
Right. Yeah, man, clean up pot. Food bars, what you say go on?
Good food. Love good food. What you mean? Love our good food to eat. Ready me? Outside, man. Fully.
Yeah, man.
Alright, my people, I wash them off. So we make sure so them well clean and fresh, and then we will get them on a level where we want them and deal with it good. Nah, man. My people, so you know, Jamaican settings, we not leave without the Maggie. Maggie have to go in a oven thing with Jamaican a deal. You know what I say?
Real Maggie.
Yeah, man, and then you know, cool runnings. If you ever been to Jamaica, you know what is cool runnings. You know what I mean? Yeah, so look at it, my people. You can try it out at home, man. Nothing normal, a deep pray. Alright, so we are stay so with the cool runnings first. I'll stay so and give it a bad shape on it over it. You know what I say? Hold them kind of small still, but I say nothing, my people. It's getting there. You know? Then we have little like all purpose on it. You know what I say? Yes, man. So, all purpose now the station. Then I get down here in the night and spin them up. If you don't want to do that, I shake it up. You know what I say? Yeah. You can do a thing like this. Or you can do a thing like this. You know what I say? Yeah. So which one you like you do it, you know? I work with that one. I like that one. Oh God, man. The smell there ain't even done as yet.
What you say?
Yes, man. The smell great and not done as yet, man. So wait till you get there. You know what I go. Yes, man. Crawfish and crab, you know. Nah, I mean, we probably had something else to eat, but we don't know as yet.
Yeah, man. So you're dashing a patty now. That
yes,
is
the
it.
People,
Man.
so we done season up the shrimp and the
Crawfish,
crab.
man.
Crawfish and the crab, you know what I say? So we have to prep up seasoning and all them thing there. And then, you know, we get back to when I can see what is what, you know what I say, people? The deep my side. Yeah, my people. So if you want to plant them back, you can put them down and throw them in one place, then easier catch, you know. Yeah, man, that is the pumpkin settings. You know what I mean? Cut up the smaller so it's easier clean out the inside piece them. See it? Yeah, man, so you know, I get down to peeling yam. Take time to peel it, you can't dig too deep inside that, you know.
That is it, man. We have my building. Omar bring some okra.
Come on out there, you know.
That
Yes,
is
man.
it.
And the crayfish soup.
Yeah, man. See it? Bad soup I cook. Holy pakia rolling for bad soup, not kiss.
Chef, man, you know.
We put it tonight, peeps, you know. Yeah, man.
Kaboom!
That is it.
We have a Jamaican Ricky Ross, no people. You see it?
See it, guys. Chef, we are chef it up in my peeps. Yeah, man, we are going to a mad thing for the car, you know.
Good evening. Where is mommy?
See it?
Where is mom?
Yes, Sabara cat there.
Yeah, man, the people, we again, man. You don't know if I just a regular thing, you know. Yes, man, the people. Just a come off my house that you can't see him stage, you see. Give the dog a check on the dog, make sure him good and everything, you see. Yeah, man, we there, my people,
So,
man.
how we are called dog? I'm here called dog.
No.
I'm here called dog.
No, you can't call it that.
You can't call the king dog. I'm a dog walk.
Yeah, man, my people. You have to check on the king, you know. Pray to the king
Yeah,
and
man,
right,
so
you
we
see.
have this a dashing in it, you know.
Same thing.
That
No,
is
thing
it,
for
man,
me
you
there,
know.
so I'm not going to there.
Mhm.
So I'm not there, I'm fine.
Soon coming.
Hey, Mikey gone.
Dashina, pot.
Yeah, man, I put we are dashing in. Eat. Wonder pot are rich, you know, my people. So you have all the breadfruit there, you know. Put in it to, you know, my people. Yeah, man.
Good old breadfruit, you know what I mean? Straight yellow heart.
Yeah, man, we do go to the shop, but during him there, fugly muggle. Mirror, what they now look like, you know? Oh, man. That's a bad piece of breadfruit.
The one that make a core, the one that make a break.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Uno must be feast, I'm afraid.
Peep, so put it in the pot, you know? Yeah, man.
Well steaming in a pot hot. See your pot colorful people. Oh God, it no look good yet. Wait till it start mash go on good on good. Time pumpkin start catch color in a pot of them time they
So
pretty.
what we do now? Lucky back.
That is it.
What dog?
Alright, so we're getting down to the carrot.
Yeah, man, cause everything couldn't well other people. All for food, you know. For here, man. But breadfruit and thing. I tell you about the video, man. I'm telling you about the man. You know, just get some.
See that people? 2 bag of okra, you know, so you know we are get down to business. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Everybody around Turbo, you know, have 2 or 3 youth, you know, you know, tell them.
Yeah, man, for a good food we eat around here, you know. All for seafood, you know.
Oh God, man.
Like a trang.
No, a little boy on the TikTok something, so I can't deal with me so strong. Yeah, man. Stronger than that strong there. So, I see that. Okra well seasoned up in pot, you know.
Yeah, man, pepper, everything. See it? Chop on 2 of them in the pot for now, make the food cooking with the pepper. That is it, man.
Flavor go and soak. Just remember, you know, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Auntie and uncle and papa and daddy and mama, you know what thing come now.
Big fire in the night, gentlemen, please. Big pot of crayfish soup, you know. And crab. So me and boom there do one damage, you know.
Yes, no, me peeps, man. You know, anyway, Turbo, they boom dead, you know.
Yeah, man. So
Yeah,
we just start
man.
dropping in the crayfish, you know, with peeps.
Yes, no, man.
Yeah, man. But we tell you know, man. Watch what go on.
You see him grab after hot pot people, you know, watch him, you know. I go on like out to see him there. So me I throw them out, you know. I don't want me to take them out, I couldn't see them.
Cause we want to taste the flavor, you know, with people. We don't want to put them in there too early, you know, guys. See it? Catch it strong inside pumpkin in the pot, you know, guys. Watch there. Watch how it's so pretty, my people. You see it?
Yeah, man, a little seasoning that.
Yeah, man, we not dashing nothing.
Thing a bubble down one at a time.
What you say?
Yes, man, bubble down, you know what I mean? Country talking, man, brawling.
Watch it. Fire high.
Store up the crayfish them in night, you know. See that my people, them a catch color already, you know, see it?
Yeah, man.
Color catch them already, water well hot, see it there? How we do my people, man.
Aye. And we have over there, so Chef Omar. That is it, man.
Crayfish soup, isn't it?
Go on, Chef Omar, hide from the kitchen,
man.
so that him going with.
Yeah, the flour, yeah, so now if you put in it same way. Camille there, so. Yeah, man.
Get down to you now, people.
Alright, the peeps, you see it? Time to put in flour in a pot, you know, but you know the thing go badness. Wash up there, you know. Yeah, man, sanitize up there. And we didn't have to throw the cooking, you know, but don't know. I couldn't see what I go and stand up and push thing, you know, guys. Yeah, man, I have it. We can't tell that stuff. dry off here, you know. Yeah, man. Everything, you know. We not left but no flour, you know, because we don't need spoiled flour around here, you know, my peeps. Yeah, man, now we do it, dash in with cornmeal, you know. Knock out everything, make sure everything knock out, see it? We have a salt, you know. Salt done, you know, last side, you know. You see it? That is it, my peeps. Stirring it, marinating the cornmeal and the flour, you know, guys. You know? Man, so I catch some water in the same pan, you know, my peeps. Watch what I go on. That is it. Up. Right. Go and work in the flour with the water. We're throwing it already, my peeps, you know, no more water. That some people do and spoil the flour, you know. They don't need it out, you know. Only for water. You know, so you have to knead it out, make it take up the dry flour. Yeah, man.
Flour need now, people. So others the spinners them if you make on the cartwheel now if you go in a soap. The round one them are them we call cartwheel, man, you know.
That is it, man. Aye. Aye. Give him 2 slap and tight knee, you know, like that. See it? That is it, my peeps. Alright. See it? Make 2 big boy put in it, you know. See it? Every man make flour different, you know, my peeps. This is how me make it. We're done. Every girl love it round here. See it? Now we knead it up like this. That is it, man. Every man make do something different, you see? So what you need? Yeah, man. Don't want to make them too big, you know. Then keep it hold in a cup or bowl. See it? Watch what I go on. Knead them up. Knead them up.
I tell you. So when I shrimp them just come up there when I crayfish. Why may I say shrimp people?
Yeah, man, we're on the last dumpling in the piece. Done. See it? Last little flour this. Now you pot, see it? Need to down there more if you need. Watch where I go on. So me make it, you know. And so me deal with it. You see I need. Aye!
Yes, that one and you take
One
the boy
and drop in the pot. You see it? Aye!
Sure.
That is
That
it, man.
is it.
Oh, say I go on. Stop at here. See me I say, I go bad.
Sure.
I'm going to drink the soup yet. Watch where I go on. You're buzzing and slow motion.
Him no can do that.
Alright, my beautiful people. They are now reaching to a part, you know, we are going to dropping with new green on my peeps. You know? Yeah man, a new we are dropping with. That is it, my peeps. So, that is it guys, you know?
Tell the man by 2 fish
I go dropping it and one Odane with thing and thing. Cause we already are doing skeleton time, you know. Cause we send one nigga forward go buy 2 cock soup, you know, and man take about an hour my people, but you know the thing go. Show no how I go and boom I do the maths.
Fish flavor, you know what I say?
A fish we are use man.
Yeah man.
We not use the next one, we are use the fish soup.
So you know I go?
And swim around them call it.
Swim around soup.
Man, we are mix it out in some water. That is it. Lock it up man. Alright, my peeps, see it, we are doing with new glue. Alright, see skeleton and tiny, my peeps.
Oh god, we just put them on a pot.
Alright, you see, I prepare shrimp. No, pepper that.
Yeah man, these are peppers.
Yeah man, my people them see shrimp now, yeah do.
Yeah man, I make them see shrimp man. Chat boy.
See it? Ha
You glimpse that one?
Boom!
You not see one pan top, yeah?
The shrimp there, now, you see it? Yeah man.
That is it, my peeps, man. I get down to the right part right and now.
See it?
I wait for another part here. Yes, my people, so as we are say, we are making one boast the changbag soup, so you know we can't leave out the coconut powder. You know what I say? Yeah man.
That is it.
This is you get the most stronger part, you sit down in our back.
Yeah.
Trouble a yard later. Yeah. Yeah man, we don't have a great okra and them thing there night already, you know, so I don't know where I go to work.
See it? Get a story now, my peeps. And that shrimp, yeah.
Oh gosh.
I pencil right good late time, my people.
Trouble.
Yeah, man, say no later I pencil mark good, bright. Let's say.
You don't want no dust stuff rub out that chalkboard something.
What about where? Bright right in. That is it, my peeps. Get a story, I'm gonna.
Oh God, but pretty in the camera there. Jesus.
Well, go on.
What you not say? Courtesy of the chef, you know.
See it? Alright, make sure no what go on. See beside see crab there. See it? See crab. Show no shrimp. Take up on a shrimp show no guys. The shrimp there. You see it? Alright.
That is it.
Aye.
It's that time I know. Yes man, the time that all have we been waiting for. Yes. Oh God, see that, my people?
I eat man, this me I eat out man. I hold for food no want you know.
Watch him no keen.
Food in my plate, dumpling. What do I want?
Dumpling and dumpling. Feel that right here.
Soup in a soup.
One more soup. Go on and come back.
Yeah man. See it me please. What for food that pot?
Hey boy, I not just pass, you know, I need even plate neither. I don't plate.
Well, me people take myself out of the crowd. Yeah man. Boy, Jamaica vibes, adventure, big up yourself. Yeah man. And pepper crayfish soup, you know, with crab. Spearfish all courtesy of Jamaica vibes. Jump over on him thing and check it out and give the support and boom and the family. Yeah man. One link the peeps, that is it. Yeah man. Jessica Cargill same way.
Rich boy.
That is it, the peeps.
Man, trying to have no spoon in there.
We are take picture with this man. I send me this 2 pound. Dirty boom.
One spoon, Manta. No spoon.
Nice.
Oh God, Manta. Me, man. One boom.
In family. What have people, baby in turn, you know what we're going in family.
Yes, man, me people, man. You get something deep and then when same thing you cooking on my people. Yeah, because you see that thing you tear up jars and pick up see thing. Yeah, man.
So, spoon
But my people, my friends,
spoon now give me as much as I want, please.
you see, bitch, I'm going to help him. I work with the pot, you know? Yeah, man. I work with the infam mill. I feel no way with there.
Yes, peeps, see there? Strong soup, man. Odane, big of yourself, isn't me? Boom. You want big of yourself, same way. Jamaica. Rice, big of yourself, same way, isn't me? Yeah, man. Out there.
You got big stick in so I'm going to normal thing.
Yeah, man. Nothing normal, you know?
Yeah, man, eat it, man.
Tell you, man. This is super
Oh,
make
yeah,
dive
put
good.
them,
I'm going to dive 75 feet,
Yeah,
80
everything,
feet. You see me? Yeah, man.
Cook out everything.
You see me? Yeah, man. I'm out the night.
Everything I do.
That's a shell boy.
On the paper. You get active.
When you there flash now, people, what are going? Much
You
more.
get done already.
A 2 bucks that compare with $1 and 2 bucks that rum, you know. I'm sitting up. Red stripe beer at Tracy and who drink ginger beer, peep. So we just there upon the ends and so we have to run a little small pot of soup and catch up back the freshness, you know? That is it, man.
All about down to Shell get down from. No play with them thing. Need to find a river, my God. Yeah. Big up yourself, Jamaica Vibes TV. You know what you're going on? Yeah, my father.
You play with soup, boy. I speak for me soup. And meat and soup, I cook in. Food are really in America. When we get the pumpkin, meat and soup.
That is it, man. Big bowl of soup.
Oh God, man.
I want the people. They have to see me upon it, you know?
Boy, I'll put
It's
on
the second round.
Yeah, man. Second, the boy second that, you know.
One of them and baby jack.
Big pot out upon fire.
Slowly but surely.
Glad the man in family. What you are going
I
on?
want the people.
Good nourishment to the body.
Before the next level.
Me done, you know, my people, what you are going on? That left out of mine, you know. Yeah, man, me not play with for me now, my people, you know, see? Me done the old big pot there, you know, again. Another drug. Pepper and scallion left, nothing else. Not even a spoon, oh God, man. Can't get a good spoon out there. Yeah, man.
As I can see, every man play turn down. I mean, I one day as a chef, besides I'm going to roast one Irish and consume with some salt. You know, because I belly still have a little space, so I feel like up there. The deep breeze, see that? Watch your butter badness, man, hot here.
Let's say roast Irish and butter.
Oh God, man. Active, man.
Let's
So you
say-
know, say now, my people. This is the end part of the video. So until then, like, share and subscribe. You know it go.
By there, your belly full up one cat. In family. Empty.
Healthy people.
Yeah, man, I shell I crayfish left, you know. But I go second. Back them there empty them pie. So yeah, my peeps, we there we turn cool cat now, belly full and thing, we just a breeze out. Yeah man, rock out the liquor. Got them my peeps, you know? Out here, my peeps. That is it, guys. Taking some cool breeze, my people. Yeah man, what you want boom over this? I dine with piece of roast Irish, man.
Done now. Boy, do the butter and the salt, man. I want to tell you.
Yeah man, roast Irish, you know man. So yeah, my peeps, what I say, just continue to show your love and your support, my peeps. And look out for the next epic adventure. You don't know, my peeps. Yeah man, can you know we get a request, we do another pork and ackee. But we're not doing no breadfruit this time, my peeps. We are going to see if we drop it with some food stuff, you know. Yeah man, some yam, banana and some dumpling, my peeps. That is it, man. Right, they say there, you know. That, you know. Code.